I said, I've tried to model my game after him when I watched him in UCLA. Because, like I said, if y'all don't know, Google J.R. Henderson, look up them highlights, man. He was like Giannis. He was 6'10", 6'11", can handle, can shoot, would, dunk on me every day in practice. He used to give me the business. I, and some days he don't know. I used to go home like, man, can I really hoop in college? I'm like, man, because some days I'll be like, damn, like I can't stop him once. He just catch it jumper up and under. I'm like, oh man, like shoot, he made me many days like, damn, dude, I might not be able to make it here because he just killing me. So anyway, just wanted to say, thank you, JR. Like, for everything you taught me in a way, you know what I'm saying? Freshman, your still senior year, my freshman year. I appreciate you, man.